If you want to learn how to use copyright-free music the right way, then this is the right video for you. More than a year ago, I was banned from YouTube and they removed my video. I thought the music I used was copyright-free, but it turned out it wasn't. After putting in so much time and effort editing, I lost my video and any chance of earning money from it. Since then, I only use copyright-free music from Epidemic Sound, and in my opinion, that is the best place to find the perfect music and sound effects for any video and any mood. First, you have to sign up to Epidemic Sound. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the link below and try it for free for 7 days. Whatever you download during this trial, you get to keep. Then you have to link it to your social media account, and you can do that if you go to the top right corner and click on this menu and go to account. Here you'll see all your billing and other informations, but we have to go to Save Lists, and this is the place where you can link all your social media accounts, podcasts and so on. It's really easy. You just have to click on this plus icon and add your social media handle like this. And this is the way you'll never need to worry about getting banned from your social media accounts. The next step is to find the music. I usually ignore genres and moods and go straight to the themes. This is the place where Epidemic Sound gather playlists for different styles of videos such as vlogs, travel, tutorials and so on. It doesn't matter what kind of video you're making, I'm sure you find the right music for it. Here's a bonus tip. When you find the music you like, you can click on like icon and find this song later. Click on plus icon to save it to your playlist, or if you are not completely sure, you can click on this icon here and Epidemic Sound will show you a similar song to the one you like. The next tip is really important, and a lot of people don't know that, but Epidemic Sound has also a mobile app, and no matter where you are, you can always work on the go and save some tracks that you like to your playlist, which will then sync to your other devices. Next tip are sound effects, which makes a huge difference to the video. Let me play this clip real quick without the sound effects. And now let me play it with sound effects. Big difference, huh? You can find sound effects next to the music on the top and search from swooshes, ambience, water and so on. But I save best for the last. My favorite feature in Epidemic Sound is search by video. Go to this icon here, import your video, and Epidemic Sound will find the right music track according to your video. This feature saves me a lot of time every time I edit my videos. So, if you ask me, this is definitely the right way to use music on your social media accounts. And at the end, you have nothing to lose. Try it, test it, and see for yourself. Take care and enjoy.